Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. In this video I will teach you importance of chemistry in daily life. Chemistry is a big part of our everyday life. You find chemistry in foods, the air, cleaning chemicals, our emotions, and literally every object you can see or touch. Here are some examples of everyday chemistry. 1. Elements in the human body. Your body is made up of chemical compounds which are combinations of elements. While you probably know your body is mostly water, which is hydrogen and oxygen. 2. Chemistry of love. The emotions that you feel are a result of chemical messengers, primarily neurotransmitters. Love, jealousy, envy, infatuation, and infidelity all share a basis in chemistry. 3. Why onions make you cry. They sit there so harmless looking on the kitchen counter. Yet as soon as you cut an onion, the tears begin to fall. 4. Food production. Plants produce food for themselves through photosynthesis, which is a complex chemical reaction in itself.
5. Chemistry in digestion. The moment you put food in our mouth, a number of different chemical reactions start in our digestive tract. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase, which is responsible for breaking down carbohydrates. The stomach starts producing hydrochloric acid. The liver releases bile, and the list of
6. Chemistry in baking. Baking soda is an efficient leavening agent. The addition of baking soda to food items before cooking leads to the production of carbon dioxide CO2, which causes the foods to rise. This whole process of rising of baked good is called chemical leavening. 7. Chemistry in hygiene and cleaning. The cleaning action of soap is based on its ability to act as an emulsifying agent. Soaps are fatty acids, salts of sodium or potassium produced by a chemical reaction called saponification. Soaps interact with the grease or oil molecule, which, in turn, results in a cleaner surface. How soaps work. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.